night, dreaming of your next getaway. Here are the top 5 travel destinations you absolutely need to add to your bucket list. Number 5. Kyoto, Japan. Step into a world of ancient temples, serene gardens, and traditional geishas. Kyoto is a stunning blend of history and modernity that will leave you speechless. Number 4. Paris, France, the city of love. From the iconic Eiffel Tower to the artistic halls of the Louvre, Paris offers romance, incredible food, and timeless charm around every corner. Number 3. Rome, Italy. Walk through history itself. The Colosseum, the Roman Forum, Vatican City. Rome is a living museum, and don't forget to indulge in some authentic pasta and gelato. Number 2. Queenstown, New Zealand. For the adrenaline junkies. Known as the adventure capital of the world, you can go bungee jumping, skiing, or hiking amidst breathtakingly beautiful landscapes. Number 1. The Maldives, picture-perfect paradise. With its overwater bungalows, crystal-clear turquoise waters, and vibrant coral reefs. It's the ultimate destination for relaxation and luxury. Well, what if I told you there's a solution that fits right in your pocket? Check this out. This is my new favorite travel companion. It's an ultra-lightweight travel bag that, when you don't need it, folds down into this tiny, compact pouch. So easy to toss into any suitcase or even your handbag. But here's the magic. When you need that extra space, it unfolds into a huge, durable bag. And the best part, it has this brilliant sleeve on the back that slides right over your suitcase handle. No more awkward balancing acts. It's secure, it's stylish, and it's a total game changer for stress-free travel. Click the link in the description to get yours now and make your next trip the smoothest one yet. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more travel hacks. Safe travels.